sub fascia is all up, nice and locked in there. And what we're gonna do now is I'm going to move my ladder and I'm gonna start throwing the plywood sheets. It's 5/8, so it's a little bit heavier than the siding, up here. And I'm gonna get them up here, and then I'm gonna put my horses sideways, and then I'm gonna stand them up in between the rafters. So I'm doing this solo, and then I'm gonna start placing them over there. We'll kind of stage them, and then at a certain point I'm gonna have to move my ladder to the outside of the roof, because obviously you don't want to roof yourself in. So prep work. That would be pretty embarrassing if you had to call a friend and say, I'm stuck, come help me. All right, so I got 2 full sheets ran, and I got a half here. So I have it all prepped there, and I have my ladder up on the outside, and I'm just gonna start banging this out. Obviously it's offset. Let's get to it. So it is all sheathed now. I got our 2-inch gap here, and that's going to be basically our vent is, because it's going to be a breathable roof. And then, so I just cut those off 44 inches in on each side. This should be enough, adequate airflow for this. I'm going to start taping. I'm going to tape the bottom, and then work your way up, across, all the way down, and we'll get this thing knocked out. All right, guys, that thing is nice and rolled. You know, it's important to take your time taping this stuff. Not get it wrinkled up. You're just gonna mess it up. It's not gonna work as it's supposed to. So nice and neat. Obviously, this being a 2.5 pitch, we were going to put ice and water in here, and my roof guy just let me know today that he's coming tomorrow to do this upper portion, which is going to lead to that bottom portion. So I need to get kicking on this. Got it all laid out. It's supposed to rain here in a little bit. Nice to have it done. Kind of a pain in the butt to do it solo, but we got it done, guys.